Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And friends, in last session I have shared with you the demo how you can use the media pipe OpenCV drag and drop for controlling the servo motor direction. Okay, so in today's session I am going to share with you the code. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So simple friends, first you need to install the OpenCV latest version. Also you need to install the TensorFlow Lite and the media pipe on the Raspbian Buster legacy version. Okay, because the media pipe is not working on the Raspbian OS Bullseye, which is the latest version. Okay, so you need to install the Raspbian Buster legacy version. Okay, so I have created the video how to install the OpenCV and the media pipe and the TensorFlow Lite on the Raspbian Buster legacy. Okay, watch video and first install the basic configuration, which is the OpenCV, TensorFlow Lite and media pipe. That's it. So I have already done with the basic setup. Now you need to connect the camera module, or you can use here a USB webcam. For this tutorial I have used here my USB webcam. Okay, you can use, as I told you, you can use the camera module, which is the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, so I have done with all this basic setup. Simple, you need to open the repository OpenCV drag drop. I will mention the link. Go to the code, copy link, minimize the browser and open terminal, and we are going to run the command sudo git clone paste link repository and just hit enter. It will take some time because inside that we have two images, which is the GPIO image, the GPIO.png and servomotor.jpg. So it will take a little bit more time for cloning the repository. Okay, so friends, we have successfully cloned our repository. Now simple, what we want to do, we need to first change the owner. So sudo ch own space hyphen capital R pi and the repository name, which is the OpenCV drag drop. So OpenCV drag drop, hit enter. That's it, we have successfully changed the owner. Now we need to go here inside the file manager, OpenCV drag drop, and as I told you, we have here two images. This is what the GPIO, Raspberry Pi 4 GPIO pins, and we have one more image, which is the servo motor image. Okay, so just a minute, let me close this. So we have here two images. So this is what our servo motor, and it has three wires, three color wires, orange, red and the gray. So orange is basically the data input pin, the red one is basically the power pin, and the gray is basically the ground pin. Okay, so simply the orange, which is the data pin, which we want to connect with physical pin number 16, GPIO pin number 23, GPIO 23. As you can see, GPIO 23, physical pin number 16. Okay, so the servo motor orange color wire, which we want to connect with physical pin number 16, GPIO 23. Then we have a red color wire, which is the power wire. So the red color wire, which we want to connect with Raspberry Pi 4 pin number 4. As you can see, the pin number 4 is basically the 5-volt power, or also you can connect with the pin number 2, which is also the 5-volt power. Okay, so pin number 2, or maybe you can connect with the pin number 4. Both are charged with the 5-volt. Okay, so then the last one is our ground. So gray color ground pin. So ground you can connect with the pin number 6, the physical pin number 6, which is the ground. Okay, so red one, pin number 4, which is the 5-volt, then the gray color, which is the ground, pin number 6, and the orange, pin number 16, which is the GPIO 23, which is basically the data pin. Okay, so I have already connected the servo motor with Raspberry Pi 4. That's it. So we have successfully done all the basic setup. Now simple, we have code ready. Simply we need to open Sony Python IDE, and as you can see, I have already opened the test1.py. Simple, you need to go here, file, click on open, and then go to the Pi, OpenCV drag and drop, and inside that I have the file, which is the test1.py. Simply click on OK. Then this is what our code, we are ready, we have all the done with the basic setup. Now simply I am going to run the code. So friends, as you can see, this is what our frame, okay, this is what our rectangle which we are going to use as a virtual drag drop, and this is what our servo motor which move along with the rectangle. Now simply it's detected the 8 number fingertip and the 12 number fingertip, okay. So now simply, as you can see, the fingertips are inside the rectangle, it's become a green. Now we need to make here a click, okay. So this is not click, this is the click. Now then we can move the rectangle, and as you can see, the servo is also moving, okay. Again back, now it's a center. Let's make unclick, come out from the rectangle. As you can see, now it's become a red, and the servo angle is now straight, okay. So now simple, again if I, as you can see, it's now green, make click. Let's go back, then again unclick, it's become red. So this is how you can use the virtual drag and drop for controlling the servo, okay. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.